The concept of Tawheed, the oneness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, stands at the very heart of our faith. However, this concept is often misunderstood, leading to significant deviations in practice and belief. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسولنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد. When many people are asked about what is the meaning of La ilaha illallah, they respond, it means there is no God except Allah, or it means that Allah is the only creator and the sustainer. While this is partially correct, it fails to capture the full significance of Tawheed. Consider the Quraysh of Mecca during the time of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They too believed in Allah. They believed He is the creator, He is the one who sustains, He is the one who controls life and death. Yet, despite this belief, they were not considered Muslims. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was commanded to oppose them because of their understanding of Allah was flawed. The critical error of the Quraysh was not to recognizing Allah as the creator, but in failing to worship Him alone. They associated others with Allah, worshipping idols, saints, and taking intermediaries between them and Allah. They believed these intermediaries could bring them closer to Allah. But this practice, known as shirk, directly contradicts the essence of Tawheed. Allah in the Quran rebukes this behavior, saying, قُلْ مَنْ يَرْزُقُكُم مِّنَ السَّمَاءِ وَالْأَرْضِ أَمَّنْ يَمْلِكُ السَّمْعَ وَالْأَبْصَارَ وَمَنْ يُخْرِجُ الْحَيَّ مِنَ الْمَيِّتِ وَيُخْرِجُ الْمَيِّتَ مِنَ الْحَيِّ وَمَنْ يُدَبِّرُ الْأَمْرَ فَسَيَقُولُونَ اللَّهُ أَفَلَا تَتَّقُونَ. Ask them, O Prophet, who provides for you from heaven and earth, who owns your hearing and sight, who brings forth the living from the dead and the dead from the living, and who conducts every affair. They will surely say, Allah. Say, will you not then fear Him? Despite knowing Allah's power, the Quraysh turn false deities for intercession, which Allah condemns. أَلَا لِلَّهِ الدِّينُ الْخَالِصِ وَالَّذِينَ اتَّخَذُوا مِن دُونِهِ أَوْلِيَاءَ مَا نَعْبُدُهُمْ إِلَّا لِيُقَرِّبُونَ إِلَى اللَّهِ زُلْفَىٰ إِنَّ اللَّهَ يَحْكُمُ بَيْنَهُمْ فِيمَا هُمْ فِيهِ يَخْتَلِفُونَ إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يَهْدِي مَنْ هُوَ كَاذِبٌ كَفَّارٌ. Indeed, sincere devotion is due only to Allah. As for those who take other lords beside Him, saying we worship them only so they may bring us closer to Allah, surely Allah will judge between all regarding what they differed about. Allah certainly doesn't guide whoever is a liar and confirm disbeliever. Unfortunately, similar misunderstandings persist today. Some people recite La ilaha illallah and think that acknowledging Allah as the creator is enough. They do not realize that this belief alone do not bring them into the fold of Islam. Just as in the time of Quraysh, many turn into saints, grave, or other figures, seeking their intercession, thinking this is permissible in Islam. This misinterpretation of Tawheed is dangerous. Tawheed is not merely about acknowledging Allah's existence as the creator. It is about devoting all acts of worship solely to Allah. Anything less than this doesn't fulfill the true meaning of La ilaha illallah. Furthermore, those who misunderstand and misinterpret Tawheed often lead them and others astray. By teaching that mere recognition of Allah as the creator is enough, they neglect the comprehensive meaning of Tawheed, which includes the rejection of all kind of shirk. This incomplete understanding can mislead entire communities, keeping them from the true path of Islam. And the Quran warns us about such deviations. The people of Mecca believed in Allah, but their practices of associating others with Allah kept them outside the fold of Islam. Today, the same principles applies. Those who claim to believe in Allah but rely on intermediaries or give precedence on man-made laws over Allah's guidance are not fulfilling the true meaning of Tawheed. In conclusion, understanding and teaching Tawheed in the correct way is a duty upon every Muslim. La ilaha illallah is not just acknowledging Allah as a creator. It is a declaration of exclusion of everything except Allah in worship, a rejection of all forms of shirk, and a commitment to submit to Allah alone in all aspects of our life. We must strive to understand this fully and help others grasp it as well, ensuring that our faith align with the true teachings of Quran and Sunnah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us all. Subhanak Allahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.